Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one's called double or quits. So we're going to be doubling the reps and the rest on each round. Okay, so there's 5 exercises in total. Okay, you're going to power through each of those exercises. So you say round 1, for example, you're going to be doing 3 reps of each of those 5 exercises. Then you take a 30-second rest. Then you get into round 2, and you're going to be doing 6 reps of those 5 exercises. Then you have a 60-second rest. Okay, on round 3, you do 12 reps of each of those 5 exercises. Then you get a 120-second rest. And then if there's still time on round 4, you'd go 24 reps. As you get through the workout, you might need to reduce the weight on your club. So I do recommend having like a lightweight club, a medium club, and a heavy club. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to be doing is mills. So we're just going to clean that club up into the order position, one hand order position, wrist is neutral, elbows tucked into the ribs, shoulders down and packed down, feet are shoulder width apart, toes are pointing forward, and then from there, I'm going to do across the center line. So I'm going to cast it across the center line, so it's full arm lock, shoulder pack. As I cast the weight to the left, my weight is transferred to the right. As it comes to my center line, evenly distributed, comes to my right, I shift the weight to the left. As I pull that elbow in, I'm going to put that into the back pocket, elbow circle, cast and repeat. All right, let's get 3 reps in. 1, 2, 3. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to change hands. There's a couple of different ways you can change hands from here. I could just swing it over into that hand. Okay, otherwise, as I'm coming around, you can bring it into the order position and change. Okay, so once we've done our mills, we're going to go alternating push press, challenging exercise, because you've got 2 points of leverage. You've got the leverage of where the club center of mass is in relation to your hand. So you've got all this leverage here, but you've also got that leverage with the weight being here and my center of mass here. So feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, and then push press, and then we change hands, bring that hand over the top. Okay, lock out that arm, change hands from here. So if you need to, you can drop weight down in that one. As I say, I normally got a few different weighted clubs next to me, so I'll just choose which weighted club is going to be suitable for that exercise. So if you need to drop down, you can drop down in weight if you need to. Our next exercise is a squat with a 2-handed flag press. Feet round about, shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Okay, we're going to have that 2-handed order position. As we drop down into that squat, we're going to press that club away from the body. Shoulders are packed down, elbows are tucked in nice and tight to the ribs. From here, squatting down, try and get thighs parallel with the floor if you can, and then push it out from the body. Lock out the arms, keep the shoulders down and packed down, and then as you drive those hips forward, squeeze through the glutes, push the ground away from you, and draw back the elbows. All right, next exercise isn't really a club exercise, it's some good old-fashioned push-ups. I like to put a little bit of body weight into my workouts. Just work to the level that you're at. You know, you can go off your knees if you need to, otherwise go off your toes. Hands underneath your shoulders, glutes tight, abs tight. Try and get about 1 inch off the floor, and then full extension through the elbows at the top. Last exercise, we're gonna do a reverse lunge with shoulder park. So that's each leg, 3 reps each leg. So we're just gonna clean that club into a shoulder park, reverse lunge, big step back. Okay, from here, just fold this back knee, make sure that front knee stays over that front heel. And then from here, squeeze through this front glute, drive down through this heel, and then return to the standing position. So if I've got the club on my right hand side, okay, I'm going to be stepping back with my right leg. So we do 3 reps on that side, and then we change sides, and then we do 3 reps on the other side. All right guys, so I'm just going to put that together now to show you what that looks like. I'll just do round 1, which is 3 reps. Okay, so first exercise, we're going to do our mills. Okay, so we just go 3 reps each side. So 1, 2, 3, change sides. 1, 2, and then 3, and then we're going to go alternating push press. Okay, so we're going to swing, lock out, Other side, swing, lock out, swing, lock out, swing, lock out, swing, lock out. I think that's 3 each side. Hope you're keeping count. The next one, we're going to go squat with a two-handed flag press. So 2 hands, so 1, 2, 3, put the club down, 3 push-ups, 3 lunges, each leg, 1, 2, 3, change sides, 1, 2, 3. That's round 1 done. Have a 30-second rest. Get into round 2, 6 reps each exercise with 60-second rest, and then so forth. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our Dangerously Fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available on Amazon and through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.